Question number 1. Each day human body breathes in dash liter of air. Option A, B, C and D. And the correct option is option C, 15,000 to 20,000. Question number 2. The most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, silicon. And the correct option is A, hydrogen. Question number 3. The substance which increases the rate of chemical reaction is metal, catalyst, alloy, enzymes. And the correct option is B, catalyst. Question number 4. The average human body contains about dash gram of sodium chloride. 190, 210, 230, 250. And the correct option is D, 250. Question number 5. The pH is the abbreviation for power of hydrogen, possibility of hydrogen, population of hydrogen, position of hydrogen. And the correct option is A, power of hydrogen. Question number 6. The best soil pH value for the most crops and plants is 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, 7.5. Correct option is C, 6.5. Question number 7. Dash are biological catalyst, enzymes, minerals, proteins, vitamins. And the correct option is A, enzymes. Question number 8. The most abundant constituent in the air is oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. And the correct option is D, nitrogen. Question number 9. Isotopes are the atoms of same elements with different number of protons, electrons, neutrons, positrons. And the correct option is C, neutrons. Question number 10. Over dash of the elements in the periodic table are metals. 60%, 65%, 70%, 75%. Correct option is D, 75%. Question number 11. Those substances which give hydroxyl ion in water are called acid, base, salts, alkalis. And the correct option is B, base. Question number 12. Those substances which give hydrogen ion in water are called base, salts, neutral, acids. And the correct option is D, acids. Question number 13. KHSO4 is a base, acid, neutral, salt. And the correct option is B, acid. Question number 14. Neutral solution has pH value of 3, 5, 7, 14. And the correct option is C, 7. Question number 15. According to Bronsted, acids are proton acceptor, electron donor, proton donor, electron acceptor. And the correct option is C, proton donor. Question number 16. NH3 is a acid, base, salt, neutral. Correct option is B, base. Question number 17. Salts are acid, base, alkalis, neutral. Correct one is option D, neutral. Question number 18. Organic compounds are originated from air, sun, rocks, living organisms. And the correct option is D, living organisms. Question number 19. Dash are insoluble in water. Alkanes, sugars, salts, starch. Correct option is A, alkanes. Question number 20. Polyhydroxyl compound of aldehyde and ketones are called carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins. Correct option is A, carbohydrates. Question number 21. Wheat, rice and honey are the source of lipids, proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates. and the correct option is D, carbohydrates. Question number 22. Polymers of amino acids are called vitamins, proteins, lipids, maltose, and the correct option is B, protein. Question number 23. Nucleic acid are of dash types 2, 3, 4, 5, and correct one is option A, 2. Question number 24. The two types of nucleic acids are DNA and GNA, RNA, protein, lipids, and the correct one is option B, RNA. Question number 25. Fats and oils are the example of proteins, vitamins, lipids, carbohydrates, and the correct one is option C, lipids. Question number 26. The major component of troposphere is argon, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and the correct one is option D, nitrogen. Question number 27. Ozone depletion causes blood cancer, skin cancer, malaria, TB, and the correct option is B, skin cancer. Question number 28. The pH of the acid rain is less than 5.6, 5.1, 4.6, 4.1, and the correct one is option A, 5.6. Question number 29. Ozone is a dash gas, reddish, greenish, bluish, or yellowish, and the correct one is option C, bluish. Question number 30. In water, the ratio of oxygen and hydrogen by mass is 1:3, 2:1, 1:2, 8:1. Correct option is D, 8:1.